Are you looking for the steam cleaner? In this video, we will show the 5 best steam cleaner. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Bissell Steam Shot Omni Pressurized Handheld Multi-Surface Natural Portable Steam Cleaner with 7 tools for tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchen, auto. Brand, Bissell. Special feature, lightweight. Surface recommendation, grout, hard surfaces, tile. Model name, Steam Shot Omni. Included components, grout brush. Endorsed by influencers, the Bissell Steam Shot is a viral hit. Experience the cleaning satisfaction that everyone is talking about. Compact powerhouse. Unleash powerful high-pressure steam at over 215 degrees Fahrenheit to effortlessly blast through grime, grease, and tough messes. Keep the machine upright to ensure optimal performance and uninterrupted cleaning power. Efficient cleaning. Ready in 3 minutes. The 16-foot cord minimizes replugging, and the 300 milliliter tank offers 10 minutes of continuous steam. Ideal for quick, deep cleaning, tackling tough grime effortlessly. Chemical-free cleaning. Powerful clean with water alone. Safe to use in homes with kids and pets when used as directed. Important, please use the measuring cup included when filling with water to ensure there is no leakage.
Number 4. The Grout Steam Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that makes home and car cleaning effortless. It heats up in just 10 seconds, allowing quick use without waiting. The 3-level adjustable handle ensures comfortable operation for different cleaning tasks, while the 2.11-quart water tank provides long, uninterrupted steam cleaning. With 18 included accessories, this handheld steamer tackles floors, tiles, grout, kitchen grease, bathroom dirt, and even car interiors efficiently. The high-temperature steam loosens dirt and grime without harsh chemicals, making cleaning safer and eco-friendly. I love how easy it is to switch attachments and adjust steam levels for different surfaces. Overall, this Grout steam cleaner delivers strong performance, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking an effective all-in-one steam cleaning solution for home and vehicle maintenance.
Number 3. This portable steam cleaner is a powerful little helper for everyday deep cleaning. It heats up in about 15 seconds, so you can start quickly without long waiting. This 6-level adjustable steam output makes it easy to handle everything from light surface cleaning to stubborn grease and grout. With 16 useful accessories, it works well on tiles, kitchen sinks, bathroom corners, car interiors, and hard-to-reach areas. The handheld design feels comfortable, and the compact size makes storage simple. I also like that it cleans effectively using steam, reducing the need for harsh chemicals. Dirt lifts easily, and surfaces feel fresh after use. Overall, the steam cleaner offers great versatility, strong performance, and convenient features, making it a smart choice for home cleaning and car detailing tasks. Build quality feels solid, controls are intuitive, and results stay consistent over repeated cleanings.
Number 2. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Multi-purpose steamer for floors, grout, and upholstery. Chemical-free cleaning, long runtime, 40-piece accessory kit. Kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Brand, Dupre. Special feature, carry handle, large capacity tank, portable, power light indicator, steam on-demand trigger. Surface recommendation, floor, tiles, grout, car interiors, bathroom, kitchen, couch, stove, upholstery, carpets, window, microwave, door track, fabric, sofa, shower, curtains, countertops, walls, mattress, sink, floor mop, floor, tiles, grout, car interiors, bathroom, kitchen. Complete 40-piece kit. Floor tool for wide passes, triangle tool for corners, steam lance for grout, window tool, and a full brush set for detailing. Microfiber cloths and bonnets for fabric, upholstery, carpet stains, and car interiors. Your whole home toolkit for chemical-free cleaning. Deep clean, no residue, lifts grease stuck on spills and bathroom buildup using only water. Safer choice around kids and pets. Ready fast, quick heat up so you can tackle messes when they happen. Fewer stops, more cleaning. Large water tank delivers long-lasting, continuous steam. Refill while you work to finish rooms in one go. Lightweight, easy to handle, easy to reach. Long hose extension glides into corners and tight spaces for precise detailing without having to bend over. Number 1. Gautier Steam Cleaner. 3-level adjustable handle, 15 seconds heat up, 1.69 quarts tank. Portable steamer for cleaning with 15 pieces accessories. Steam cleaner for home for dirt, grease, grout, tile, floor, car. Steam cleaner for home. EKG machine for heart testing. EKG machine for heart testing. Material. Steam cleaner is made from high-quality ABS material, ensuring excellent durability and heat resistance. This handheld steam cleaner features a sturdy design that withstands high temperatures, ideal for continuous use. The water tank, made from transparent, high-strength material, allows users to monitor the water level easily. This pressurized steam cleaner is designed for reliability, making it perfect as a portable steam cleaner for home or mini steam cleaner for various surfaces. Design. Steamer for cleaning is equipped with a handle-mounted 3-level adjustable steam control function, ensuring precise output. Steam cleaner for home comes with a 1,600 milliliter water tank for extended use, reducing frequent refills. With a total stretching distance of 158 inches, this pressurized handheld steam cleaner can easily reach high or distant areas, making it suitable for tasks like bathroom steam cleaner for shower and steam cleaner walls, floor, and furniture. Features. Steam cleaner operates with 1,500 watts power, generating 3-bar pressure and steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. This steam machine for cleaning heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering high-temperature steam to remove grime effectively. The handheld steam cleaner is ideal for tile and grout, making it a reliable steam cleaner for bathroom. Compact yet efficient, this pressurized steam cleaner for home ensures powerful cleaning.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.